Welcome to your ultimate guide on how to qualify for the Scroll Airdrop. You are in Quantum Cactus, and today we're diving headfirst into the world of Scroll Network, recently valued at a staggering $1.8 billion in its latest funding round. Let's get started. First things first, head over to Scroll official website, and with a simple click, add Scroll to your MetaMask. It's that easy. All links can be found in the description. Next up, to be an active player in the Scroll ecosystem, you'll need some ETH on the Scroll network. Use the official bridge at the Scroll official website and bridge at least a bit of ETH. For those looking for more cost-effective options, Owlto Finance is your go-to alternative. Now, let's get hands-on with the Scroll network. It's time to deploy a smart contract. Navigate to the Owlto Deploy tab at Owlto Finance, hit Deploy, confirm the transaction, and voila! You're now interacting with the Scroll network on a whole new level. Did you know that Scroll offers exclusive NFTs for its early adopters and developers? After deploying a smart contract in Scroll, you are eligible for these exclusive NFT for Scroll developers. Go to the Scroll Origins NFT check and find out your status. Moving on, let's take a crucial step in your Scroll adventure minting NFTs. This isn't just about expanding your digital collection, it's a key part of qualifying for the Scroll Airdrop. Head over to Mad Aliens NFTs to start this exciting process. Once there, connect your MetaMask wallet and mint. Remember, each NFT you mint is a step closer to unlocking the full potential of the Scroll network. And don't worry about getting lost. I've got you covered. You'll find all the necessary links in the description below. First up in our swapping adventure is SNSwap. It's a user-friendly platform, perfect for your first swap on the Scroll mainnet. Just connect your wallet, choose your pairs, and make your swap. It's a seamless way to start your journey in decentralized finance on Scroll. Next, we have Isumi Finance. This platform offers a more diverse range of swapping options. It's ideal for those looking to explore different financial instruments within the Scroll ecosystem. Connect your wallet, explore the options, and engage in swaps that suit your strategy. Remember that you will find all the links below. Then there's Spacey. This platform is for the more adventurous traders among you. It offers unique features and pairs that you might not find elsewhere. Dive in, connect your wallet, and experience the cutting edge of decentralized finance on Scroll. Last but not least, we have PunkSwap. This is for the bold and the brave. PunkSwap offers a unique swapping experience with its distinct interface and options. Connect your wallet and join the ranks of Scroll's most daring traders. Now let's explore the world of trading NFTs within the Scroll ecosystem, with a particular focus on the Element market. This innovative platform simplifies the process. Just log in and connect your Scroll wallet, and you're ready to dive into the exciting realm of NFT trading. But it's more than just seeking profits. It's about becoming an active, engaged member of the vibrant Scroll community. Owning a domain within the Scroll network is a game changer. It's not merely a digital asset. It represents your unique identity in this emerging digital realm. With OpenName, simply connect your Scroll wallet and embark on the journey of acquiring your personal domain. This step is a significant milestone in your Scroll adventure, granting you access to a world of possibilities and connections within the Scroll ecosystem. Now, let's set up a decentralized email service with your NFT domain. This is where Dmail steps in. Connect your Scroll wallet to Dmail and follow the straightforward setup process. This isn't just an email account. It's your unique identity in the decentralized web, powered by Scroll. With your Dmail account ready, start sending emails. This is an excellent way to further integrate yourself into the Scroll ecosystem. Use Dmail Compose to craft and send your messages. Each email sent is a step deeper into the Scroll network, showcasing your active use of its innovative features. Finally, keep track of your position within the Scroll ecosystem. Use RhinoFi to monitor your activities and see where you stand. This isn't just about competition, it's about understanding your engagement level and finding ways to deepen your involvement in the Scroll community. And there you have it. We've covered all the essential steps to qualify for the Scroll Airdrop. But the journey doesn't end here. to stay updated on airdrop guides, cryptocurrency content, and all things Scroll. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy scrolling!